Ever been blindsided by the creeping symptoms of a cold when you need it least? One minute, you're rushing to meet a deadline or making the most of a cherished event. The next, your body's hijacked by a ruthless cold. This unanticipated intrusion that can throw your schedule into disarray necessitates a rapid response to fend off its undesired advances. This is where we step in, guiding you through practical, swift-acting solutions to keep common colds at bay. So are you ready to fight back? Let's dive right in. Our comprehensive visual guide is designed to help you construct a formidable defense against viral invaders. First off, we venture into the realm of cleanliness, your primary shield against colds. The act of meticulously washing your hands, for example, can drastically reduce the spread of viruses. Keep a bottle of hand handy for moments when soap and water aren't within reach. Make it a habit to cleanse your hands, especially before meals and after touching commonly used like doorknobs or elevator buttons. Next, we navigate through the world of nutrition, the lifeblood of your immune system. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables fortified with vitamins and minerals can bolster your immunity. For instance, citrus fruits loaded in vitamin C can help fight off infections. Regular hydration is essential too, so keep that water bottle within arm's reach. Consider herbal teas, rich in antioxidants that not only hydrate but also soothe a sore throat, a common cold symptom. Lastly, we journey into the peaceful sanctuary of sleep, your body's natural restorer and a potent deterrent against viruses. Quality sleep, typically 7-9 hours, revitalizes your body, enabling it to fight off potential infections. Do not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Consider creating a sleep-friendly environment, devoid of distractions, to ensure an uninterrupted rest. By embracing these three pillars, cleanliness, nutrition, and restful sleep, you'll markedly lower your susceptibility to catching a cold. In the battle against the common cold, cleanliness is next to healthiness. It's often the small, overlooked habits that can make a significant difference in preventing the onslaught of cold symptoms. Let's delve deeper into the role of cleanliness in this fight. Hand washing is your first line of defense in this battle. Each day, our hands come into contact with countless surfaces, each potentially harboring viruses. Vigorous hand washing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds can drastically reduce the spread of these viruses. Remember to wash your hands especially before meals, after using the restroom, and after touching public surfaces like doorknobs or elevator buttons. Next, let's talk about maintaining a clean environment. Regularly disinfecting commonly touched surfaces in your home or workplace can further mitigate the risk of catching a cold. Use a trusted disinfectant to wipe down areas like your desk, keyboards, mobile phones, and door handles. And let's not forget personal hygiene. Regular showers, keeping your clothes clean, and avoiding close contact with those already suffering from a cold can reinforce your defenses against the cold virus. To wrap up this scene, remember, a clean environment is a healthy environment. Keeping up with these cleanliness habits can significantly reduce your chances of falling prey to a cold. Let's move on to some home remedies for when a cold does manage to slip through your defenses. Once a cold gets hold, several home remedies can offer significant relief, and these are not just the typical solutions you might think of, they're more nuanced and detailed. Let's start with hydration. Drinking fluids like water, herbal teas, and broths doesn't only quench your thirst, but it also helps to thin the mucus, making it easier to expel. Another great example is chicken soup. It's not just a comfort food, but also a hydration source that can aid in reducing inflammation in the respiratory system. Moving on to rest. Taking time off to let your body fight off the infection is not just recommended, it's essential. Ensure you're getting at least 8 hours of sleep and taking short rest periods throughout the day. The body's healing processes are most efficient during sleep, helping you recover faster. Humidity and heat. This isn't just about using a humidifier, you can also take a hot shower, or even better, a warm bath with eucalyptus oil. This can open up the airways and ease congestion. Additionally, using a warm compress over your nose and forehead can help in clearing the sinuses. Superfoods. Honey, lemon, and ginger aren't just flavorful additions to your tea, they're powerful cold-fighting agents. A hot cup of tea with these ingredients can soothe a sore throat, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Other superfoods to consider are garlic, turmeric and zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and spinach. These simple and natural methods, along with some extra tips, offer comfort and can speed up recovery. But remember, they're not promising an instant cure. Everyone's body reacts differently, so try several approaches to see what works best for you. Voiceover. Water is life, and it's also a lifesaver when you're battling a cold. Hydration plays a critical role in your body's fight against a cold. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about helping your body function at its best. When you're dealing with a cold, staying hydrated helps to thin the mucus in your nasal passages, making it easier to expel and reducing congestion. But what to drink? Water is an obvious choice, but there's more to hydration than just plain H2O. Herbal teas, for instance, not only provide hydration but also carry medicinal properties. Peppermint tea can soothe a sore throat and act as a decongestant, while chamomile tea can help you relax and get a good night's sleep. Broths, especially chicken soup, are another excellent choice. They not only provide hydration but also deliver essential nutrients and electrolytes that your body needs to fight off the infection. And don't forget about fruit juices, particularly those high in vitamin C like orange or grapefruit juice. These can give your immune system a much-needed boost. However, remember to avoid caffeinated drinks and alcohol, as they can lead to dehydration. So how do you ensure you're staying hydrated? Firstly, always have a bottle of water at your side. Set reminders on your phone if you tend to forget to drink. And remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Remember, when you're feeling under the weather, drink up. Staying hydrated is a simple but effective way to help your body fight off a cold. Sometimes home remedies are not enough. In these cases, over-the-counter medications can help. Antipyretics, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, for fever and headaches. Decongestants, to relieve a stuffy nose. Antihistamines, to reduce sneezing and a runny nose. Read the labels carefully and choose the medication that suits your symptoms, opting for the least powerful necessary. It's important to recognize the warning signs that indicate the need to consult a doctor. Symptoms that worsen or do not improve after a week. Difficulty breathing, chest or abdominal pain, persistent high fever, severe headaches, or signs of dehydration. These signs may indicate a complication requiring specific treatment. Home remedies and medications can alleviate the symptoms of a cold, but listening to your body is crucial. If you notice warning signs or if symptoms persist, do not hesitate to consult a doctor. Share your experiences and tips against the cold in the comments to contribute to our community. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our health tips. Take care of yourself.